Hello everybody. This is the toolkit that will be coming with the 1946 Triumph Speed Twin 5T. This toolkit was in the toolbox to the side of the motorcycle that I showed you in the walk-around video, and it was, according to the restorer, the prior owner, it was in that toolbox and given to him as part of the sale from Chuck Walton in 2015, and that Chuck had it in there since his purchase from the prior owner, who claimed that it was the original since the late 1980s or around 1990. It appears to be the original type tools, and when I did a look at the parts book as well as some other sources, these were the typical stampings that you can see here. That had the Triumph name and apparently the part number on it as well. Fairly crude, but would have been appropriate for post-war production, and they're in excellent condition. It would be a crime to polish these up, so to speak, because they weren't polished then. Here's another. These are open-ended spanners here, and this is a closed-end spanner with two variable sizes there in really excellent condition. So I presume that this is either original or close to it. I can't prove any of this, but the tools include this tool here, which is I believe a tappet adjuster tool. You can see here that it's a Lucas 0.014, 0.016 for the push rods. And then you have a screwdriver to adjust the tappet there. And I believe that's what that would be. If there's any real experts out there, certainly put some comments in the comments section. This is a adjuster tool, I believe, for the rear chain adjuster, and I think you can also use it for some of the larger nuts, including maybe the axle nut, if I'm not mistaken, at least to manipulate it. So that is that, I believe. Here you have a couple of tire levers to change out a tire and or inner tube. A couple of large spanners, again with the, I'm not going to try to get these out, but they do have the stamped Triumph logo stamped into them. A screwdriver and a spark plug wrench. I think they used to call this a Tommy bar, which you can basically put through here in order to manipulate the spark plug wrench, or what they call sparking plug wrench. And then you have some open end spanners here, again with the Triumph logos that you can see, and a nice pliers with a cutting tool here, and and a gripping element here and here. And the pièce de résistance, as they say, is, I think this is just so cool, is this grease gun. You can take a look at the end of it. It says London, and then Calumet. It must be the brand name. It's a beautiful, looks like a brass piece. I don't know if you can see the writing on here, but it's actually an oiling pump. And I'll try not to, oh, there, you can actually see it works. Here I'm pushing up on the bottom here, and you can see the grease. I wonder how old that grease is coming out of the tip there. But this is just a beautiful piece. A little portable hand grease gun for lubing the various nipples and oil feed nipples around the motorcycle. I don't think this Ziploc was an original piece. Just kidding. Of course it's not. And it comes. The whole thing comes in what really appears to be a very old but incredibly good shape canvas tool roll. To nearly impossible to actually obtain, and so I'm sure this is worth quite a bit of money out there on the market, but in this case it comes with the motorcycle. Just wanted to let you all know that, because I hadn't put that in the video. And that is it. Hopefully that gives you an idea of this very valuable and interesting piece that is part of the auction. Thank you very much.